Hey guys, if you work in HR and you complete annual employee evaluations, then this spreadsheet should help you out. So I'll show you how it works. It has three different spreadsheets. This one is your dashboard. This is where the employee reviews will go. And then this is the evaluation form that you can print out. You can edit this and you can fill out the information here on the reviews to keep track of your entire staff, their score, and everything like that. Okay, so let's start here with the evaluation dashboard. This will help you to track your highest, lowest, second highest average, and the third highest average of scores of the evaluations. You can keep track of the staff average as a whole and the number of evaluations you've completed. This chart will help you to track the average scores for each person on staff. So I've got this person, we've called them first and last name, but that person, their average is a 4.57, and you can see everyone else's averages as you hover your mouse over the number. So everything from this sheet will show up into the dashboard automatically for you. Okay, so we can put in the employee ID, their name. So if you don't want to put in, say their first and last name, if we changed it here, then on the dashboard, you can see the first and last name is there and, they have the highest average. The evaluation date, so we'll double click in here and choose a date. We'll put in the department name, the position, the evaluation period. So say this is, 9/15/25 to 12/31. You can put that as well. Here are 7 different qualities about your staff that you can rate from 1 to 5. If you like what I have, feel free to use it. If you do not like it, just highlight it and put in, let's say on time, whatever you want to change it to, and then you can rate from there. So you can choose from the drop down box 1 to 5, 1 being the worst and 5 being the best. As we change the numbers here, it will change the average score for each person and the average score for your entire team. So if you have somebody that does really, really bad, then it will change the entire team's average score. So if we'll undo all of that, then it changes the average score for the entire team. So this person has an average of 4.57. We can put in the positive notes, what needs improvement, and what goals you have for the staff member, and then who the reviewer is. This will also help you to track the number of evaluations that you've actually completed. And then this here is a form. This, of course, can be editable. So if you wanted to change that work quality at the top, you wanted to change it to, comes on time, and then you can rate that as well. And then an overall rating as well for all of these 7 qualities. And then there's a place for notes, a place for needs improvement, a place for goals, and who completed it. This is printable as well. So you would just go to File and Print, and then print this out in the portrait. And then you can take everything from this form and then plug it into the reviews as well. So that way everything can be organized. And then everything from the reviews will go into the dashboard. So that's how this works. It's a very simple sheet to use. If you have any questions, let me know. In a few days, there will be an HR bundle that will keep track of lots of things. I have at least 10 different spreadsheets from PTO time to timesheets, all sorts of things to keep you organized. So this is available at savvyandthriving.com. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you guys have a great day.